Okay, we're finally done. Finally. Sorry it took a long while, Jeff, but I've been doing this in between my restorations, as you know. So we finally got it done, the old Volvo Italiari kit. Well, what can I say? I've had a few issues with this, mostly because I struggled to know what I'm doing with it. This front end, especially around here, this was a pain to fit. To get this to line up near enough as best I could with there. Excuse the camera angle. I'm actually holding the camera with my hand and turn the turntable with the other, because I'm not at home. I'm away at the minute. So yeah, for a first go, give it my best shot. Like I say, it's not the easiest of kit. I didn't pick a good kit to do for this group build, but at the end of the day, it's not the kit's fault, it's the builder. Can't blame the tools. Yeah, so we've got it going anyway. I'm glad it's finished. Yeah, it's alright. I'm glad it's finished though. I'm being very careful with this because I'm balancing I'm on a table. On the table, if you know what I mean. So I'm careful it don't bloody roll off. That would just put the icing on the cake, wouldn't it? Yeah. It's got a bit of bling on it. I've got all the bits on the right place, I think. So there you go, there you have it. It's only a short video just to let people know that I've finished it. I don't like to give up on a model. At the end of the day, if it gets done one way or another, sometimes it will get done in a bodgy fashion, but it will get done. I don't like to shelve them if I can help it. Right, okay. There you go. Oh, it's a bit dark in that picture, isn't it? Yeah, oh, I can't see very well from there. You go there, that's better. Yeah, got all the mirrors on. It's not a thing you could muck about with too long, because it'll probably fall apart. Yeah. Okay, that's enough waffling. It's done, it's finished. Now I can carry on with the helicopter, the word bird group build for Mr. BG. So there you go, Jeff. Next year I'll pick an easier one to do, mate, and I'll be on time. Okay. Righto. Okay. See you later then. Bye for now.